This is Rami. Rami is a robot. Not really since it's not completed yet. This is Rami's brain, Arduino Mega. It has a lot of pins that feed our needs and it's very easy to use with ROS. In addition, it's easy to program. To be exact, it has 54 digital pins, 15 PWM pins, 256 kilobytes of memory, 8 megabytes of RAM, 4 megabytes of ROM, 16 megahertz, clock speed, 16 analog pins. Rami is really smart.
Rami's body is amazing. It can pass any rough surface with its 6 wheels driving and high torque motors. Rami was not built from scratch. He was reborn by using an already made chassis that we modified. Rami is very powerful.
Sadly, Rami can control his motors on its own, so MDD-10A Motors controllers came to the rescue. It is efficient, it is powerful, it's cheap, and it can handle our motors. It also helps in debugging. Go MDD-10A Motors! Yay!
Rami needs an arm to lift off all these bad evil minds. Its arm consists of 6 servo motors that work like a human arm, giving us the ability to move in all axes. We use it to take the mine off the ground by using our strong claw and putting it in our trusty bucket. Really, you can count on Rami for a mine-free world.
Rami needs orders. We use PS2 gamepad to move Rami and the arm. Before judging how old the PS2 is, keep in mind Rami isn't ready to handle a PS4 controller on its own. It needs a lot of additional equipment and time is running out. Sorry Rami, but you will work with the PS2 for now.
Rami needs to communicate.
But how?
XB. Rami uses the XB to communicate with the control station. It can handle signals at the same time. We struggled to configure them, yet after a lot of hard work and perseverance, we managed to get it right.
Rami uses power juice with our 7.4 volt battery, 5200 milliampere 3C LiPo battery. Rami can operate for nearly an hour, handling all the motors and sensors.
Speaking of sensor, Rami has only 2 senses. It can see using the camera, which helps driver navigate throughout the field. It has 3 metal detectors helping Rami sense mine all around.
Now looking at the software. We used 3 main softwares to program our boy Rami. First, the Arduino IDE. We used it to program the main file that helps the robot work. Second, ROS. We used it for navigation. Third, XCTU. We used it to configure our XBs.